Welcome back to Learning English with Noel. Today's episode dives deep into a topic that's crucial for many of you. Why do you need to study English? I'm thrilled to have my good friend Mark with me. Welcome, Mark.
Thanks, Noel. I'm excited to discuss this topic. English is such a vital language, and understanding its importance can really motivate learners.
Let's start with the basics. Why is English considered a global language?
Great question. English is often referred to as a lingua franca, which means it serves as a common language among speakers of different native languages. It dominates international business, science, technology, and even entertainment.
So, for someone looking to work in a global company, knowing English is essential.
Absolutely. Many companies operate internationally, and English is typically the language used for communication. Being fluent can open up job opportunities and career advancement.
Can you give some examples of fields where English is particularly important?
Sure. Fields like medicine, engineering, and information technology heavily rely on English. Most technical manuals, research papers, and professional development resources are published in English, making it crucial for anyone in those areas.
What about education? How does English play a role in academic settings?
Many of the world's top universities are in English-speaking countries, and courses are often taught in English. A lot of academic research is published in English. So, if you want to access the latest studies or participate in international conferences, English is essential.
That makes perfect sense. Are there any specific subjects or courses that particularly require English proficiency?
Yes, definitely. Subjects like business administration, computer science, and even social sciences often require a strong command of English to understand the material fully. For example, many economics courses use English textbooks and online resources.
Now let's talk about travel. How does knowing English enhance the travel experience?
Knowing English can make traveling much easier. It's widely spoken in tourist areas, and many travel guides and apps are in English. This means you can communicate with locals, read signs, and navigate new places more easily.
What about cultural understanding? How does studying English contribute to that?
Studying English gives you access to a wealth of literature, films, music, and art. Understanding the language allows you to appreciate different cultures on a deeper level. For instance, reading classic novels or watching films in their original language can provide richer insights.
Let's touch on practical communication skills. Why is it important to communicate effectively in English?
Effective communication is crucial in both personal and professional settings. It helps you express yourself clearly and understand others. Miscommunication can lead to misunderstandings, so being proficient in English can prevent that.
And it's not just about speaking, right? Writing skills are important as well.
Exactly. Writing emails, reports, or even social media posts in English is a valuable skill. Good writing can enhance your professional image and improve your chances in the job market. Employers often look for candidates who can communicate well in writing.
Let's talk about personal development. How does learning English contribute to this?
Learning a new language can boost your confidence and cognitive skills. It challenges you to think differently and improves your problem-solving abilities. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people and make connections around the world.
So, it's not just about the language itself. It's about the growth that comes with it. Can you share a personal experience related to this?
Sure. When I started learning English, I was hesitant to speak at first. But over time, as I practiced, I gained confidence. It opened doors to friendships and opportunities I never imagined.
Are there any misconceptions about learning English that you'd like to address?
Definitely. One common myth is that you need to be perfect to speak English. That's not true at all. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. The key is to practice and improve over time.
And it's okay to have an accent, right?
Absolutely. An accent is part of your identity. What matters is that you can communicate effectively. Many native speakers appreciate the effort and often find accents charming.
For our viewers who might be hesitant to start learning, what advice do you have?
Start small. Set achievable goals like learning a few new words each day or practicing speaking with a friend. There are also plenty of resources available, such as apps, websites, and online courses.
And don't forget about the community aspect. Joining language exchange groups can be very helpful. What other resources do you recommend?
Podcasts, YouTube channels, and even online games can make learning fun and interactive. The key is to find what works best for you and stay consistent.
Let's discuss the long-term benefits of learning English. How can it impact someone's life years down the line?
Learning English can significantly enhance your career prospects and earning potential. In many countries, being fluent in English can lead to higher salaries and better job positions. It also makes you more competitive in the job market.
And on a personal level?
On a personal level, it broadens your horizons. You can connect with people from different cultures, travel more confidently, and enjoy a wider range of media, from books to films. It enriches your life in countless ways.
As we wrap up today's discussion, I hope we've shed light on the many reasons why studying English is so valuable. Mark, your insights have been incredibly helpful.
Thank you, Noel. I really believe that English is not just another subject. It's a passport to opportunities and experiences. Whether it's for career growth, personal development, or simply to enjoy the richness of culture, the benefits are immense.
Absolutely. For anyone considering whether to invest their time in learning English, remember that every step counts. You don't have to be fluent right away. Just starting the journey can lead to incredible transformations.
And let's not forget the importance of community. Surrounding yourself with fellow learners can provide motivation and support. Platforms like language exchange meets or online forums can be great resources.
In conclusion, studying English opens doors not just professionally, but personally too. It allows you to engage with a global community, access a wealth of knowledge, and experience the world in a unique way. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, keep pushing forward.
And always remember, making mistakes is part of the journey. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep practicing.
Thank you all for joining us today. We hope you feel inspired to embark on or continue your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.